Hey, hello, 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 hello. Testing 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. I hope you can hear my voice. It's been a long time since I have engaged and deployed, implemented my voice into my videos. It's been pretty good 2 months, 2.5 months. Well, the reality is I was busy in my project and contract work for over 8 months. And as with all reality, when you work on a project and contract work as a freelancer, it comes to an end, right? Then you got to look for another project in a contract work, right? So I haven't left that yet. I still got a couple of weeks, maybe we'll see. First of all, I'm grateful to the universe. I'm grateful to the cosmos. I'm grateful to the elements and the divine spirit. And I am grateful to all my audience, viewers, and subscribers. As always, this is Right Tools for Right Job by Noor Ali. I have a very different twist. It's nuts and bolts, meat and gravy of IT, right? Information technology, information system, automation, cloud technology, AI, whatever you want to call it. It's out there, right? It's out there. If you have worked vertically, horizontally in different roles within information technology, you will understand what I'm trying to say. Right tools for right job. Every job needs a right tool. You don't have it, you won't be able to perform your work, do it on time, and finish it. Simple as that. So let's move on. Practice what you preach. Do what it is right and correct. Fix any IT issue or problem correct on a first visit. Close your ITIL tickets correctly. Document all actions taken to fix and resolve the issue. Don't cherry pick any ITIL tickets from your queue or the bucket. Remember this for the rest of your ITIS career and field, trade and craft. Document, document, document. It doesn't matter if you are 100% remote, hybrid, on-site. Depending on your job role, position, responsibility, you will spend majority of the time in meetings. You better get used to it. Remember, you will spend majority of time in meetings. You better get used to it. I repeat this again. You will spend majority of the times meetings. You better get used to it, right? Now, you better get to know and understand the following tools, technologies: Microsoft Teams, Slack, WebEx, and Zoom. As a power user, as an end user, as an admin. Now, admins, those who do onboarding, move permission, give permission in any of these environments given, right? Power users are those who know how to use this inside and out. End users are your regular end users in different departments, different groups where you work and support. It's simple as that, okay? Now, like I said before, depending on your current role, position, responsibility, you will spend majority of the team doing the following. Team, with your team, majority of with your team, or time. Let's correct this today, okay? Majority of your, let's repeat that. So it'd be, you will spend majority of your time with your team doing the following: talking, communication, presentation, storytelling, KT, transfer of knowledge, KT. KT stands for what? Knowledge transfer. Show and tell. Show and tell for run books and playbooks. Like I said before, depending on your current role and position and responsibility. Your hands-on hard skill and soft skill will be split. Company to company, department to department, group to group, crew to crew, team to team. Remember that. Company to company, department to department, group to group, crew to crew, team to team. How you adapt to fast-moving changes depends on you, no one else. We live in a world of dynamic adaptation, where information data is moving is rapid speed. Things are changing overnight, day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year. Remember that. Remember that. Day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year. Every year is a new ball game out there, right? Every year when you finish your contract in 6 months or 8 months or 12 months, you go out in the job market again. Things are changing, right? Things are changing, right? If you have been in IT as long as I have been, remember that. If you are in if you are in if you are in role, position, responsibility, in means you are currently in, or you're going to get in. Same way, right? Where there are lost lots of research. My bad. I don't know what I was thinking about. That's lots of research. Correct, Mundo. Investigation, fact findings to remediate an issue or problem. You have to do lots of reading. Yeah, I got it right on the second sentence. My bad. Writing, thinking, and become very creative. Yes, you have to become a self-starter. Repeat that one more time. Let's do this 3 times. 3 times a charm. Yes, you have to become a self-starter. Yes, you have to become a self-starter. Yes, you have to become a self-starter. Remember that for the rest of your life. No matter where you work, no matter what you do, gotta be a self-starter, right? You need to self-motivate yourself every day. In certain stages in your career, field, craft, and trade, no one is going to hold your hands and show you the way. I know many friends in IT, right? Many ex-co-workers I've come across in the journey of life. Some are very good friends of mine, and some are not. And some have become over the years. Remember this golden rule of life. No one is going to hold your hands and show you the way. No one is going to hold your hands, show you the way. No one's going to hold your hands and show you the way. You have to find your own path. Make your own way, right? Remove all the obstacles, remove all the challenges, and keep moving forward. Keep moving forward, and keep moving forward, and keep moving forward. Don't ever give up. Nowadays, major path of communication in Teams chat, Teams channel, Microsoft email, and scheduling meetings in Teams, Microsoft Outlook based on company you work for. You learn, understand, master very fast now. I personally think about 80 to 90% of work is done this way. I could be wrong. You can correct me if I'm wrong, right? Rest will be within the domain space of ServiceNow and the world of Jira. ServiceNow and Jira is very hot. All right. These are some screenshots that will uplift you. I need upliftment, so I'm going to uplift you out there. Right? So uplift. Uplift is very important in life. It's needed and it's required. Bring your energies higher so you become successful, you become more productive. Right? So, here are the rules. Right there on the left, right there on the right. If you follow and if you understand great men, great souls who have done great for the community of the country, of their state, have gone through a lot, they will uplift you. Mark their words. Understand them so you'll become more successful, more better at your game. All right? And I need to say no more, right? Patience is a virtue, right? Like Mahatma Gandhi had said already. God bless his soul. right? And the other ones on the bottom are by Imam Ali, the fourth Caliph of Islam, first Imam of Shia tradition, but a great teacher, a gateway of knowledge, a door of knowledge, all right? Spiritual knowledge, wisdom, guidance, and teaching. Okay, everybody knows who Rumi is, right? Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi. He was a poet from Persia. He was you can say, a student of Shams Tabriz. And I don't need to say no more. If you are into that poetry world, then I have added some stuff here. And like I said over here, work does not stop as long as you are alive. With hope, love, passion, compassion, effort, commitment, hard work. Let me repeat this again. Work does not stop as long as you are alive. With hope, love, passion, patience, compassion, effort, commitment, and hard work. When we bring tools into it, into the equation, that becomes smart work, right? Nowadays, the young folks say, why don't you work smart? What does that mean? Ask yourself that. Right tools for right job, right? There you go. So, work does not stop as long as you are alive. Work does not stop as long as you're alive. Survival of the fittest. Remember, survival of the fittest, right? You gotta live, you gotta survive, you gotta pay your bills. Keep paying your bills till you leave planet Earth and die. Physically. But only the Divine Spirit knows where your soul will be on the next time. Okay? Remember, with hope, love, patience, passion, compassion, effort, commitment, hard work, then in the end we're going to add tools, which is smart works, right tools for a right job, by Noor Ali. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, all my listeners, all my watchers, new joiners, old joiners to my channel. As always, I'm grateful for the universe, the cosmos, and the elements. You and I both are made from the same elements. No difference. Earth, fire, water, air, and the Holy Spirit. Okay? Keep that in mind. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye.